In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide templates in Google Sites in a very simple and easy way. So let's begin the video. Once we log into Google Sites, this is the main page that we normally land on after signing into the account. And here at the top section of the screen, you can see the Google Site Template Gallery. If we click here, we can view all the different templates that are available inside Google Sites, which can be used for creating different types of websites quickly and easily. Now, if you want to hide this Google Sites template gallery from the homepage, we need to click on these three vertical dots here. After clicking that, we simply need to select the Hide Templates option from the list. And done. Now the complete Google Sites template gallery has been hidden and all the templates are no longer visible on the homepage screen. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below.